Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yesterday we were studying about the lesson The Ugly Duckling, right? The ugly duckling was staying with his 6 brothers and sisters, and as he was ugly by his color, correct? The color of duckling was grayish black, and because of that other ducklings who were yellowish color, they hated the 7th duckling, and then he decided, and they used to not play with the 7th duckling, but his mother loved him a lot. She said, I love my child so much, but then the other ducklings which were there in the surrounding, they did not allow him to play with him or play with them. Even they did not allow him to swim with them in the lake, and they used to tease him or they used to treat him badly, and they used to say him that you are so ugly, don't stay with us. And then one day he decided to leave the lake and go away from his brothers and sisters and from his mother. And then for so many days, whenever he used to see someone strange person or strange animal or some other ducklings along the river or along the course of water, he used to hide himself. And then one morning, he saw that there were 3 strange ducklings. So they were so beautiful, and they were swimming in the water, and they had come forward. They were in front of him, and what this ugly duckling did, he hides himself behind thicket, means bush, tall grass. He hides himself, but then he has a great desire. Desire means what? He has a strange longing. He had a desire to meet them and talk with them, but he used to know, he was knowing that the ducks, whoever will meet him, they will say him that you are so ugly. So he never saw his own reflection in the water. Then what happened further, that I will tell you. The duckling remembered the lovely birds. He saw these 3 lovely birds and he remembered them. He was afraid to meet them, but he felt a strange longing to be with them. He had a great desire. त्याला खूप इच्छा झाली होती भेटायची. कुणाला? He wanted to meet those 3 ducklings. He made up his mind to approach them. He decided in his mind, that he will go, and definitely he will go and approach them. Approach them means what? Will go and meet them and will talk with them, no matter how badly they treated him later on. He decided that no matter, let them treat me badly, let them tease me, let them say me anything, but I am not going to go back, or I will not leave the place. I will go and approach them. Approach means what? I will go and talk with them. Then in last 2 paragraphs, what happens? He swam towards the beautiful birds and bowed his head down to the surface of water. And what did he see in the clear stream below? His own image. No longer a dark grey ugly bird, but a graceful and beautiful swan. The other swans swam round the newcomer and welcomed him. Now just imagine, when he put his neck down, when he went in front of those ducklings, he put his head down, and when he saw down, at that time he saw his own reflection in water. When he saw his own reflection in water, he came to know that I am not a grey, dark, ugly duckling. Now I have become a beautiful, graceful and beautiful swan. When he was small, when he was duckling, now he has become swan. He has become big. When he was ugly, when he was baby, at that time his color was grey, dark, and that grey color and dark color was looking ugly. But now he has become so big and beautiful. Now he is looking so nice, and these 3 swans comes towards the newcomer, because this duck was not seen by anyone. And then when these 3 swans saw him, they all went around the newcomer and welcomed him. They went towards him and they said, oh, you look so beautiful and graceful from where you have come, and we never saw you before in this area. From where you have come, you look so graceful and beautiful. Then what happened further? The bird that had lived a miserable life as an ugly duckling was a swan after all. He curved his slender neck and cried joyfully from the depth of his heart, I never dreamed of such happiness as this while I was an ugly duckling. When the other three swans said him that, oh, you look so graceful, you look so beautiful, where did you stayed? Then he just recalled his past, that when I was small, my color was grey, I was dark, I was not graceful. At that time my brothers and sisters hated me. There were so many other ducks in the lake, they used to tease me by saying me that you are ugly duckling, don't play with me. They used to tease me, they used to treat me badly. And now when I saw myself in the water, in the stream of water, now I look so beautiful and so graceful. And he cries joyfully, that tears are of joy, the tears which are coming in his eyes are of joy. And he says that when I was small, at that time I was so ugly, now I look a beautiful and graceful swan. In this way we have completed the lesson. I think you have understood. Now we are going to start with question and answers. Today what you do, question answers, there are 5 question answers in first question. Answer the following questions. Instead of that, today first we will write down, read and learn young ones of animals. Today's your homework is what? You are going to read these animals and their young ones, and you have to write down all these young ones, animals and their young ones, in your English notebook. First one, hen. What is young one of hen? The young one of hen is chicken. Second, cat. The young one of cat is called kitten. Dog. The young one of dog is called puppy. Young one of cow. The young one of cow is called calf. Young one of sheep. The young one of sheep is called lamb. Young one of duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The young one of duck is called duckling. Okay. Goose. Gosling. Lion. Young one of lion is called cub. Young one of deer is called fawn. Young one of goat is called kid. And last, young one of swan is called cygnet. Okay, in this way you have to write down all these 11 animals and their young ones. Okay, in that some are birds. Young ones of animals and birds you have to write down in your English notebook. That is your homework for today. Okay, please complete your homework and send it on WhatsApp group. Tomorrow we will complete question answers of the lesson, and next week we will start with all about glass lesson, and then that much only portion is going to come for exam. Okay, thank you.